Shalom, shalom, assalamu alaikum to the melanated family. All praises to our Creator and our ancestors' family. This video is going to be about love and compassion and unity. We need that in our lives right now, family. Love, compassion, and unity is what's holding us back. Love, compassion, and unity is what's causing the gender wars, what is causing the dysfunction toward our people and our people into ignorance and foolishness and hatred and envy and jealousy for each other. That is our problem. No love, no compassion, no unity. And that's what the enemy wants. Because once we come together in love, compassion, and unity, there's nothing can stop us. The original man, the original woman of this paradigm, this Mother Earth, this universe, the galaxies and the stars, the cosmos. That is what's holding us back, family. It ain't nothing else holding us back. Nothing. We must learn from the little bitty ant. We must learn from the honeybee. We must learn from nature, the animals in nature, how they come together with love, unity, or love, compassion, and unity. And that's what we must bring into fruition. That's right, family. Nothing else. Nothing else. But those three entities of love, compassion, and unity is missing in the melanated family. And we need love, we need compassion, and unity for each other. That's right, family. Mr. Charlie can do what he want to do. Miss Becky can do what he want to do. But we come together with love, compassion, and unity. Nothing can stop us from going forward, financially, spiritually, and morally. Because we have adopted somebody else's ways of doing things. That's right, family. But we're going to cut this video short. Peace and love. Make sure you share this video, because we need plenty of love. We need plenty of compassion. And most of all, we need unity. Put up the likes and shares. Stay tuned for the next video live streaming. I'm out.